Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install your Steno machine screen protector or privacy filter. The process is the same for both. There are just 4 steps, so it's very straightforward and simple. Let's do this. The items you received in your kit are a wet wipe, a dry wipe, a dust absorber sticker, 2 guide stickers, and your screen protector or privacy filter. Step 1. Clean your Steno machine screen. You want to make sure your screen is as clean as possible before install, so it never hurts to wash your hands before you get started. You'll just want to use the wet wipe included in your installation kit and wipe your screen and the surrounding frame gently. Make sure you wipe away any oil residue from your fingers and any debris that may be on your screen. Then take the dry wipe and dry the screen. Your screen must be dry so that the adhesive will adhere correctly. Step 2. This step is very easy and kind of fun. You want to remove as much dust as possible from your screen. Dust can cause tiny bubbles underneath the protector or filter, so let's do our best to remove it. The way you do this is by taking the sticker that comes with your installation kit and gently tapping it across your screen, like this. I find this step kind of meditative. Step 3. Now you'll just stick the guide stickers to this side of your protector or filter. Slowly remove the back film to expose the adhesive, taking care to reduce exposure to any dust or debris. Hold the protector or filter to align it exactly with your screen inside the frame. Step 4. Starting on one side, slowly apply the protector or filter to your screen. You'll notice that the adhesive kind of does a lot of the work for you, so you're really just watching for bubbles. If you see a bubble form, gently lift the protector or filter on one side, and then press out the bubble and continue to lay the protector or filter onto your screen. Once you're happy with your placement, then you'll just remove the front film. And there you go! Your screen protector or privacy filter is installed and ready to protect your machine screen. If you have any trouble at all or have any additional questions, go to dreamstenocovers.com. You can send a message through the contact page and I'll be happy to assist. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.